Hello, so from the title of this video, you already know if you're trying to make your fish this way, stay tuned. If you know me, you know how much I love fish. I can eat fish in any form. But once you try this fish, you will never make your salmon in any other way. So if you're interested, just stay tuned. But please, before that, give me a like on this video and hit that subscribe button. This just helps to make me know that you guys are interested and you guys love it, and that motivates me to continue creating content. Okay, let's proceed to the cooking. So guys, we're gonna be needing some salmon fillet. Like, feel free to take out the skin. This is the front part of the salmon and this is the back. I actually took out the skin because we usually don't eat the back of the skin. And I'm gonna be sprinkling a little bit of garlic. I said a little bit, and a little bit of salt on it. Everything, all the amounts of the ingredients I'm including depends on you. Old Bay, it's fire. I'm not even gonna talk too much, okay? Add some chili powder, sprinkle it, just like rub it in. Make sure you're wearing some gloves because this can be really hard and you need some gloves. Just turn it, flip it over, and like repeat the same process, okay? So guys, after doing this, I'm just gonna set it aside to marinate. Then in a skillet, I'm gonna add some butter, some lobster base, and this is my sauce I'm making. Some garlic, a little bit of powder, flour powder to help it make it thick, and of course some broth. After adding that broth, mixing it, I'm gonna be adding some heavy whipped cream, curry seasoning, mixing everything up nicely, and then adding my cheese. You can add as much cheese as you like. I'm not big on cheese, so I just decided to put a little bit and just mixing. And my sauce is pretty much done. So guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like, this again just helps me, motivate me to continue creating content for you guys. Please now, you guys are making shakara. Please subscribe. Here comes the fun part. So in a hot skillet, I'm going to be adding some virgin oil. You can use canola oil or whatever oil you like, and just place your salmon in it nicely and neatly and let it cook on each side for 5 minutes. Don't overcook it. Don't overcook your salmon. You're not going to enjoy it. And in there, I'm just going to throw in like half a tablespoon of like butter and like just spreading it, making it melt, and then drop my lemons inside for that extra flavor. If you have some thyme, you can drop it in. That really like enhances the flavor, but I didn't have any like fresh thyme, so I just sprinkled like some of the dry thyme on the salmon, which you can see. So I turned it out after like 5 minutes, and that's how it looks. And make sure you use 2 spoons or something to like flip it around, because salmon is pretty like soft and you don't want to break it. And make sure you get the size as well. At this point, my salmon was already like ready, like it was already cooked to perfection. Okay, I was just ready to like dig in. Look at that. Now you guys know I killed it. Don't you think I deserve a like on this video? Rate me in the comment section. Look at this. Make this, it costs me only about $20 to get all of these things, and the salmon wasn't expensive. Usually salmon's expensive, but it wasn't a discount. I love me some discounts, so I'm just adding like extra sauce on it. Look at it. Add some asparagus to this, or like some mashed potatoes, and thank me later. Don't go to the restaurant and pay $100 for this. So it cost me only $20 to make this. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Please, before you leave, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, rate me. How did I do? Are you going to try this out or what? Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, loves.